we are celebrating the Kadayawan, an event which has been known all over the country and beyond. Itong celebration na ito, pagbigay ng a sense of oneness of all Dabaweños, irrespective of your tribe, kima Ilocano ka, kima Magobo ka, isang Davao lang tayo. And hindi naman sa we have built this city from gubat lang ito noon. And we are so proud of what we have achieved. And this celebration would be another event that would make us realize how God has been kind to us. Let us thank God, and yung mga leaders na dumaan na sa buhay natin at yung nag-contribute to what Davao City is now. Kadayawan is just the symbolic manifestation of that progress, of that endeavor which we tried hard to build what we are now. Mabuhay kayong lahat.